they have an award for the best UTME scorer, which happens to be our head boy. Can we celebrate him as he steps forward, please?
And we have other schools that use our app. Your school happens to be one of the users we have and most encouraging. So we are here to encourage our students and the mommies and daddies to present an award to the highest JAMB scorer, the person of Mr. Okoye, Chukwudubem Emmanuel, right? Chukwunedu, I'm sorry about that. So we're presenting an award to him to encourage him, to support him, and tell him to put more efforts with the sum of 100,000 Naira.
I am honored and thrilled to receive this amazing award from ExamGuide software creators. I would like to say that I am grateful for this award because it was truly a testament to dedication and hard work. And I would like to say that I'm actually honored to be chosen and recognized among a set of amazing nominees. Thank you very much. And I'll advise the parents of the upcoming JAMB candidates to get or purchase the ExamGuide software because it really helps a lot. Without it, I don't think I would have gotten my score. Thank you very much.